Hey Landon, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Just getting back to you on your website. Wanted to show you some things in a quick video of what I'm seeing that can be helpful, just help understand why you're being found for certain keywords in some areas and not in others. So you've got a great looking site. It's talking about your services and such, and you've got, a little bit of content on there. Nowhere near really what you need to have a really, really strong SEO presence. We recommend 1,500 words minimum of content on your website homepage, and that content needs to be geared around what keywords you want to be found for. Your services for mobile RV repair, mobile inspection services, RV inspection services, those types of things. Even possibly having a section about Rogers, Bentonville, Bella Vista, because you want to be found for those keywords. Now, looking at what's going on in Fayetteville, when I look at RV repair, Fayetteville AR, you are being found in the map section here, which is right where you want to be. You want to be in these top 3 positions. And then you are being found here in the organic section for your services, which is great. There's not a lot of competition here in Fayetteville, and you're ranking high because of that. I'm looking at your website strength as well, and I use this program called Ahrefs, and it allows me to see, your URL strength and your domain rating. It shows me how many other websites are linking to yours. These are almost 4,400 backlinks are coming through, but it's only coming through 4 different domains, so you're really not getting a lot of power passed to you because it's all coming from basically one place. And then you are showing 19 organic keywords, which is great. And those keywords are, mobile RV inspection service, certified RV inspector near me, that sort of thing. What I would like to see is some more content put on your site that talks about your services specifically to Rogers, Bentonville, Bella Vista, Springdale, just to try to capture some of those cities around, that you're working in. Because if I look over at RV repair, Rogers AR, you're not being found in the map section, and this is handled by your Google Business Profile, so we can help you with that as well. But this organic section, you got Yelp, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, Nelson RV Repair is just got a Facebook page, so that's pretty easy to beat with the right content and some backlinks. And then you've got Lake Country RV, who's got some RV sales and service, of course. Haas's Mobile RV is way down here, so we'd like to see you rank up here for your services for Rogers, and look at Bentonville and all those things and see what you really need to do. If you look at mobile RV repair, Rogers AR, you're still not showing up in the map section here, but you are pulling up. You are pulling up in about 7th position down here, which is great. You're right where you need to be. It's just adding some additional strength, adding some additional backlinks and content is going to push you up in the search ranking for Rogers. So just wanted to show you what's possible there. I can't really tell any specific number of search volume going on for your services specific to Fayetteville. This is all nationwide because unless it says Arkansas or AR or Fayetteville in it, you've got RV for sale, you've got refrigerator repair. That's not necessarily picking up RV services, but that's where I like to be able to tell, how can I build a SEO package for you that can really have a good ROI. It's just a little bit harder for your services because I can't tell exactly what volume of content or volume of keyword searches there are for that. But just wanted to show you what you need to do. So it's the content on your pages, 1,500 words minimum. It needs to be keyword rich. So we need to include your services with, Rogers and Bentonville in there, Bella Vista and such. And then the second thing of those backlinks, getting other websites to link to yours. Preferably these backlinks are coming from an RV type service or webpage or some travel magazine, stuff like that. We can go get those kind of links for you. And then the third thing is getting your name, address, and phone number listed on as many online directories as possible. So this is, Manta, Yelp, yellowpages.com, those sorts of online directories. There's thousands of those, and we just go out and get a lot of those for you to push you up past the competitor. Now, I want to show you where I really think that you could shine. I think you do need to do some stuff on your website. It's going to be more of an investment, and without kind of knowing what the return is on that. But because I can't really calculate that like I normally can for a business. But I do want to say that, strengthening your social profile, creating a campaign that would target specific places where RVs are. So I could see you creating a Facebook campaign and running ads for your services with basically a geofence around certain RV parks around this area. And I think that could really pay off for you. Maybe it's around a lake, maybe it's around, up there by Cave Springs, where there's some really large ones. Maybe it's the road hogs, where they're parking down in South Fayetteville. I think geofencing around those areas and running some targeted ads specific to that would be really really beneficial for you, and I think you could really see the payoff on that. But I will put together a proposal to show you what that could look like and what that would cost, and get that back to you. But just wanted to shoot you this quick video just to show you some things that I see and how you can add some additional content and do some light SEO work to continue to strengthen your site and push it up in the search rankings. Hope that was helpful. It's Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing here in Fayetteville. 479-326-7899 is where you can reach me. Thanks.